How to watch Netflix on TV is something that can be done in several ways. Here are 3 ways you can watch Netflix content on your TV and how to get started within the next 15 minutes. While some methods require additional hardware, there are a few ways you can do it with the equipment you may already own. We will cover using a DVD player, a computer, or a smart TV in this video. The first method is old school, but it works. You will need either a DVD player or a Blu-ray player. Netflix started out as a DVD rental by mail service, which it did for the first 10 years. Discs are generally delivered within 1 to 3 days, and you have your choice between standard DVDs or Blu-ray. You can get the first month free when you sign up, and you can cancel at any time. The next 2 methods refer to the streaming service Netflix started in 2007. Your computer. This method works with either a desk tower or a laptop. However, the laptop is obviously more portable than a desk tower. Connection technology may be a problem, which will vary depending on the age of your equipment. However, HDMI has been around since 2002, and the hardware, both TV and computer, uses HDMI as the standard connection. HDMI transfers both video and audio in the same connection. This video will focus on HDMI. Connect your computer's output port to an input on your TV. A nice thing about HDMI is that you can make the connection while both the computer and TV are turned on. All you need to do is plug one end of the cable into the HDMI slot on your computer, and the other end goes into an HDMI slot on the back of the TV. Depending on the TV brand, there are probably more than 1 HDMI slots. Some TVs allow you to plug straight into the back, others have slots on the side, and some are on the back but at a 90-degree angle, which can be a little more difficult to plug into. Once you've made the connection, you will likely have to switch your computer's display configuration. If you don't see an image on your TV, you have to tell your computer to output to your TV. There are several ways to change display settings depending on your operating system. On a Windows platform, you can use the function keys, or you can press the Windows key and the P key at the same time and select duplicate or second screen only. You should then see your desktop appear on the TV. If you don't see your desktop appear, ensure that you have selected the correct output. On a Mac, click the Apple menu and select System Preferences. Click the Display option and then click the Arrangement tab. Check the Mirror Displays box to duplicate your MacBook's display on the TV. Because you are using an HDMI cable, your sound output should automatically change to the TV speakers, but you may have to do this manually. On Windows, right-click the speaker button in the system tray and select Playback Devices. Select the HDMI output option from the list of available devices and click Set Default. On a Mac, open the System Preferences menu and select Sound. Click the Output tab and select HDMI from the list of available outputs. Once everything is properly connected, open your browser and then open Netflix. Sign on with your Netflix account or sign up to get an account, and then you will be able to access the streaming library. Find a video on the Netflix library and click on it to begin playing it. If everything is connected properly, you should be able to watch it on your TV with sound. Since your computer will likely sit next to the TV, it will require you to get up and go to the TV every time you want to search for content or make changes in the status of your viewing. The easiest way to overcome this inconvenience is to go wireless. For about $35, you can buy a wireless keyboard with a touchpad and run your computer from the couch. Smart TVs. First off, determine if your TV is a smart TV. Smart TVs connect to your home network and can run media streaming apps such as Netflix. Check your TV's documentation or menu to determine if you have a smart TV that can run streaming apps. Your remote may also have a button on it to launch smart TV apps. When you turn on the TV, you may have streaming service logos, including Netflix, which would indicate that it's a smart TV. If you're having difficulty determining, you can perform a web search using your TV's model number. In order to stream Netflix from your smart TV's app, you will need to be connected to your home network. There are 2 ways you may be able to do this depending on your TV. The first one is a hardwire through the Ethernet. Some TVs have Ethernet ports that allow you to connect them directly to your router. Simply plug an Ethernet cable into your router and then into the TV to connect to your network. The other option is Wi-Fi. Most newer smart TVs have wireless adapters that you can use to wirelessly connect to your network. You'll need a wireless router in order to use the Wi-Fi adapter on your TV. Open the network menu on your TV and select your home network. You'll need to enter the password if your network is secured. This process will vary vary from TV to TV. Most smart TV remotes will have a button that opens the apps list. This button is often a logo or has the TV's brand name on it. You'll need to use the remote for your TV, not the cable box or universal remote. Most have a dedicated Netflix button on the remote. If you can't find the Netflix app on your TV, you may have to download it from your smart TV's app store. You may need to update your TV's firmware in order to access streaming apps. Look for the update option on your TV menu. Once you've opened the app, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Netflix account. Enter your login information and select your profile if given the option. Not all smart TVs support the Netflix profile system, but most do. You'll need to have a Netflix plan that supports streaming video. The DVD-only plans will not allow you to use the Netflix app on your TV. If you need to change your plan, you must log into the Netflix website through your computer and make the changes to your account. Your TV remote will allow you to navigate the Netflix interface. Use the arrow buttons on your remote to find the videos you want to watch, then press the select or enter button on your remote to start it. There are other ways to access Netflix that require the purchase of an external device that connects directly to your TV, such as a Roku box, Amazon Fire Stick, an Apple TV box, or a gaming console with internet capabilities. Smartphones can also access Netflix, but you would need one of the previously mentioned external devices to cast or mirror the video onto the TV screen. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Check out some of our other videos. We're here to help you.